Yeah. Okay,
all right.
let's see what that does for us. It's probably going to need a little bit of
Take off flaps.
Taxi it out.
We'll see when we take off.
I'll only be up for about 3 minutes, guys.
Yeah, you're good. You want to wait for him?
It'll be a
got 3 minutes?
very quick flight.
Yeah,
Take it off.
So we'll let him fly. And
Take it off.
Gear up. Flaps up.
Okay, fast slow pass from the left. Nobody else up, are there?
We're all watching you. That's close to the tower.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Whoa, what was that?
Probably a little, that breeze.
Thermal or
Yeah,
something?
we get a little, we get some thermals, especially when the wind's coming from that direction. The road's a lot hotter than the surrounding direction.
Got it, yeah. That was a funky little wiggle.
Yeah, were you flying the, yeah, you were flying the F-104, right?
Yeah,
You did a upline there, one upline, and you did the...
it did that same wiggle too.
Time remaining 1 minute 14 seconds.
Alright, let's do the trainer. Give him a minute.
Could have waited a minute.
That's alright. I can't hawk this guy.
Time
I'll wait
remaining
for him
1 minute.
to do a pass. Okay, fast slow pass from the left.
Yeah, that's perfect. So when we have other pilots flying, you want to keep your low passes on the far side of the runway,
Okay.
which you did.
Okay,
If you're all by yourself,
do it, yeah.
middle of the runway,
Yeah, that's fine.
or buzz the tower, whatever.
That's usually what it is. I like to stay away.
Yeah, I just,
Yeah.
you were fine. I just, like I was telling the other guy, you're going to get yelled at about every 5 flights.
Well,
Someone's
that's
going to go, hey, you can't do that.
only way you're going to know, right?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to be landing from the left.
Gear down.
We got a landing, guys.
Good, and the breeze just kicked in. Perfect.
Yeah.
Landing flaps.
Quartering, but mostly then.
Makes landing easier.
10 9 8 7 6
Little bumpy.
5 4 3 2 1.
Worked the last minute there.
Flaps up.
Whee!
Is that like the F-16? You got to keep that.
You have
Keep
to.
that positive deck angle, or if you lose that, it just sinks.
It sinks, yeah. And it speeds up.
Yeah, but it doesn't fly any better.
No,
So
no.
It just hits the ground faster.
Yeah.
Are you still good? You want to get a whirl? All right, let's do it.
Thank you for waiting, guys. Well, don't do that. All right, runway clear.